wash your hand, buddy.
Sorry.
There we go. Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Besides, it's a stupid hot day. You need some water. Right, and we're off.
No.
Oh, well, it looks like everyone's getting wet. Wow, we start right off at the gate. Wow.
Wait. Miguel, ang ilulamin mo na, marika. I know, na may kirang mukha.
No, please.
Yeah!
No. Yes.
Oh! Wow! Ano sa akin sila yun?
¡Dios mío! ¡Qué susto tan bueno! Miguel, que no le tiene miedo acá. ¡Mira la suya que sigue!
Sí, Miguel Ángel, no le tienes miedo sana.
Well, I might get a little soaked. That'd be a nice little sprinkle. That is not a sprinkle. Oh my god. That's actually really smart. The leaking water does like a little leaking effect. That's cool. Wait, there's more? Oh no! No, not the one going backwards! That was very anticlimactic. Look at that! There it is. Oh, you gotta pass like an RNG check. It's everything every other raft ride I've been on should have been.
Oh my god.